Looking for the best motorcycle battery charger to keep your bike ready for the road? In this video, we'll explore the top 5 motorcycle battery chargers that provide reliable performance, long-lasting power, and convenience for every rider. Whether you own a cruiser, sport bike, or touring motorcycle, choosing the right charger ensures your battery stays healthy and fully charged. Watch till the end to discover which charger suits your riding needs and helps extend the life of your motorcycle battery. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is YONHAN Motorcycle Battery Charger. The YONHAN Battery Charger 10 amp 12 volt and 24 volt fully automatic smart car battery charger is designed to help different types of vehicles remain powered without hassle. It comes in a compact size with a dimension of 2.4 inches depth by 6.2 inches width by 3.7 inches height and has a weight of 1.3 pounds, which makes it easy to carry and store. The charger supports multiple battery types, including absorbed glass mat, gel, sealed lead acid, and flooded, which are commonly used in cars, trucks, sport utility vehicles, motorcycles, lawnmowers, and boats. The charger operates with both 12-volt and 24-volt lead acid batteries and is made to handle different weather conditions. Its temperature adjustment helps prevent battery drain during winter and protects against overcharging in hot summer months. It includes built-in safety systems such as reverse polarity protection, overcharge prevention, and short-circuit safeguards to provide reliable performance. With a clear backlit display, the user can easily read battery status including voltage, current, temperature, and power level, making monitoring simple. A memory function also helps by remembering the last selected mode. Another useful addition is the advanced repair mode, which works to bring back older or idle batteries to a usable condition, although it is not suitable for lithium or completely damaged batteries. This model also offers a trickle charge option, particularly effective for motorcycles, ensuring batteries remain charged for longer periods without losing power. In our list, the number 2 product name is PCHH Motorcycle Battery Charger. The PCHH 12-volt and 24-volt heavy-duty car battery charger is built to handle a wide range of vehicles and equipment that depend on lead-acid batteries. With a durable design that combines copper coil, metal, and strong casing, it delivers stable charging performance. The unit weighs 12.4 pounds and measures 11.4 depth by 5.8 width by 8.6 height, making it a strong yet practical option for both home use and workshops. This charger supports absorbed glass mat, gel, wet flooded, enhanced flooded calcium, maintenance-free, and deep cycle batteries. It is useful for cars, trucks, sport utility vehicles, motorcycles, recreational vehicles, all-terrain vehicles, boats, golf carts, lawn tractors, snowmobiles, jet skis, and other machines that require consistent battery maintenance. By automatically detecting 12-volt or 24-volt systems, it simplifies the charging process for a wide variety of applications. A digital display helps users view important charging details such as voltage, current, and percentage, while a winter mode assists in colder temperatures for easier engine starting. The charger can also provide steady direct current power at 12 volts for additional uses like diagnostics, running a tire inflator, or supporting an oil changer. Another benefit is its repair function, which is designed to restore older batteries that are not performing well. Multiple safety protections such as reverse polarity, overheating prevention, and overcurrent control ensure secure charging at all times. This model is a versatile solution for keeping batteries reliable. In our list, the number 3 product name is NEXPEAK NC202 Motorcycle Battery Charger. The NEXPEAK NC202 10 amp car battery charger is a compact and portable option for keeping different types of batteries in good condition. Measuring 8.46 depth by 4.1 width by 7.1 height, It is easy to handle and store while offering strong charging performance for both 12-volt and 24-volt systems. This charger is suitable for lithium iron phosphate as well as lead-acid batteries, making it useful for vehicles and equipment that rely on absorbed glass mat, sealed lead-acid, gel, flooded, and deep-cycle power sources. It works effectively with cars, trucks, motorcycles, sport utility vehicles, boats, lawnmowers, and other machines that require dependable battery care. An extra-large display screen shows clear details such as charging percentage, voltage, temperature, and mode, making it simple to monitor the entire process in any lighting condition. With its extended charging cable, users get additional convenience when connecting to different types of batteries. The unit follows an 8-stage charging process, which helps maintain unused batteries for longer periods without damage. This design allows batteries to stay in a healthy state even when left idle for months. Safety is supported through protections against overheating, reverse polarity, short circuits, and overcurrent issues, ensuring secure operation in all conditions. Another benefit is the pulse repair function, which helps restore older or weak batteries by improving their performance and extending their cycle life. This makes the charger a reliable tool for household and outdoor use across multiple battery applications. In our list, the number 4 product name is YONHAN Motorcycle Battery Charger. The YONHAN 0 to 10 amp car battery charger is designed to support 12-volt and 24-volt systems, offering a reliable option for vehicles and equipment that rely on lead-acid and lithium iron phosphate power sources. With a size of 11.8 depth by 7.8 width by 5.9 height and a weight of 2.1 pounds, it is lightweight and convenient for regular use in garages, workshops, or outdoor settings. This model works well with absorbed glass mat, sealed lead-acid, gel, flooded, and deep cycle batteries, making it suitable for cars, trucks, motorcycles, lawnmowers, sport utility vehicles, and marine applications. A large display screen shows clear details such as charging progress, voltage, current, temperature, and operating modes, making battery maintenance easier to monitor without confusion. The charger uses a 7-stage process that helps maintain and recover older or idle batteries. Pulse repair technology is included to improve the performance of weak batteries, supporting stronger starts and extended service life. However, it cannot be used on completely dead or damaged units. For ease of storage, the unit includes organizers on each side to keep cables neatly arranged when not in use. A built-in memory function allows it to return to the last used mode after power loss, reducing the need for repeated adjustments. Safety is supported through protections against reverse connection, overheating, short circuits, and overcharging. Its seasonal charging modes also adjust performance in hot or cold weather, ensuring dependable results year-round. In our list, the number 5 product name is Huiaipaic Motorcycle Battery Charger. The Huiaipaic 20 amp car battery charger is built for both 12-volt and 24-volt systems, offering a practical option for vehicles, boats, motorcycles, and other equipment that depend on reliable battery performance. With a compact size of 6.5 depth by 7.56 width by 4.02 height and a weight of 1,020 grams, it is easy to carry, store, and use in different environments such as garages, workshops, and outdoor locations. This model is designed to work with lead-acid batteries including absorbed glass mat, sealed lead-acid, gel, flooded, calcium, as well as lithium iron phosphate power sources. It supports automobiles, sport utility vehicles, trucks, recreational vehicles, golf carts, lawnmowers, snowmobiles, farm vehicles, and marine applications, making it versatile for many users. A large screen provides clear charging details like voltage, current, percentage, and operating modes, allowing simple monitoring throughout the charging process. The charger includes pulse repair technology that helps improve the condition of older or idle batteries, assisting in stronger starts and longer cycle life. A trickle charge option maintains power levels without causing overcharging, which is useful for seasonal or infrequently used machines. Built-in safety systems protect against overheating, reverse connection, sparks, and short circuits, ensuring secure operation in all situations. Its storage-friendly design features cable organizers and a foldable handle, keeping cords neat while making transport easier. With strong output power, dependable safety, and adaptability, this charger serves as a useful tool for maintaining batteries in various vehicles and equipment. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.